Hello guys, I'm Soni. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have two opportunities. One is a software developer role focused on AI and digital solutions, and second one is a data science and machine learning role for freshers. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's start with the first opportunity. This one is from Job Proffer and they are hiring for the role of software developer in AI and digital solution. Experience requirement is 0 to 1 year and the location is Mumbai. Salary is around 5 to 7 LPA and this is a full-time permanent role. We can see that there are two openings. Now let's understand what you will actually work on. You will be responsible for developing and maintaining internal software solutions for the company. You will work across both the front end and back end along with databases and APIs. That means the company is looking for someone who understands general software development rather than someone focused on only one small area. The role specifically involves exploring and implementing AI solutions and automation. So, if you have been building AI projects or experimenting with AI APIs, that can be very useful for you. Another part of the role is maintaining and improving the company's website and digital platform. So, this is not purely a backend or AI engineering position. You will also have exposure to the company's broader tech stack. The listing also mentions supporting digital marketing and social media activities. So, the role combines software development with some digital platform responsibilities. Now let's talk about the technical skills. The main requirement include programming, web development, front-end and back-end development, databases, APIs, AI, automation, and full-stack development. They also specifically mention Node.js and React.js. So if you have already experience with React, Node, AI, APIs, databases, and you have built projects around these tech stack, then you have a good profile to apply. In particular, project related to software development or AI can help you. Now coming to the eligibility, they are looking for candidates with a BTech or BE in areas such as computer science and engineering, IT, AI and data science or AI/ML. There are two openings for this position. So overall this role is best suited for someone who are looking to grow in a software development career. Now let's move on to the second opportunity, and this one is from National Digital Marketing Institute of Training, and they are hiring for the role of data science and machine learning role. The experience requirement is a fresher. Freshers are eligible for this role. Locations are Agra, Allahabad, Delhi, or Varanasi. Stipend is around 25,000 to 40,000 rupees per month, and this is a full-time in-office opportunity. The application deadline for this one is 5th of September 2026. Now, this role is focused more on directly data science and machine learning. You will be working with data, building machine learning models, applying statistical methods, and finding insights from datasets. One of the main responsibilities is developing and implementing machine learning models for different data platforms. You will also analyze large data set to identify trends, patterns, and useful insights. Python is an important part of the role. You will use Python for data manipulation and model building. SQL is also required and you will use it for data extraction, transformation, and database management. Another important area is statistics. You will apply statistical methods to interpret data and help validate model performance. So, if you are learning statistics along with the Python, SQL, and machine learning, this role lines up well with your skill set. You will also need to translate business requirements into data science solutions. That means understanding what problem needs to be solved and then using data and machine learning techniques to address it. Once you have completed your analysis or model, you will communicate the findings through visualizations and reports to the stakeholders. So, communication is also the part of the role. The company also expects candidates to contribute to data driven strategies and initiatives and stay updated with development in data science and machine learning. Responsible use of data is another point mentioned in the role. Now, coming to the required skills, the main skills are Python, SQL, statistics, analysis, model evaluation, visualization, and problem solving. Some additional skills that can help you include predictive modeling, hypothesis testing, data manipulation, model building, and automation. For eligibility, there is no specific degree requirement mentioned, but freshers are eligible. The role is full time and in office with locations across Agra, Allahabad, Delhi, and Varanasi. The work schedule is a 5 days a week. The application deadline is 5th of September 2026. Now, if we compare both opportunities, if you are interested in full stack development or AI tools, then go for the first one. They're also offering a decent package of 5 to 7 LPA. Or if you want a fresher friendly data science opportunity, then go for the second one. So choose based on your direction you are actually targeting, software development and AI on one side, or data science and machine learning on the other side. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. All the apply link are in the description box. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out my next opportunity update video. And if you want any particular job update in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching guys.